The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. Excuse me. Very good morning, fellas. Thank you. Audio's good. Deepak, Dennis, thank you. Excuse me. Guys, today is Thursday, October 19. You can see the bots, really bot, is up 870 this morning on only a crude trade. There has been no trades as of yet in the NASDAQ. Nothing. It's an interesting morning. So we've got one trade here, long on crude, plus 870. And we'll see what we get today. Much better trade in the afternoon for order flow trading. We do have Powell speaking today, I believe, excuse me, at noon. And we'll see what he does to the markets. I'll read the disclaimer. I think net ES is a short. Stop can be 39.75. Target one, maybe 31 from here. I didn't look at news this morning. Ordinarily, I do. Tesla's getting beat to death in pre-market after yesterday's earnings. Last I looked at Netflix, they were up like $46. Philly Fed at 8:30, continuing an initial jobless claims. Really nothing. Jefferson speaks at 9 a.m. Yeah, Powell's at noon. No earnings after the close of any interest. In any event, I'll read the disclaimer. We'll take a look at charts and we'll see what we can come up with. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. Closed out that trade on that small pullback. Six minutes to news. I'll be right back. Just going to get fresh coffee. I'm looking for longs, guys. ES or NASDAQ. Look where we came back to. We exactly
The weekly
back
comes
tested the
range
breakout again.
below 200,000, the lowest since the spring.
ES not doing anything. NASDAQ is running amok. 130 sellers. There's nothing. Still think we're going to get that 61. There's the push. There's the 61. Will you look at that? I need a pullback. Up ES 46. I'll take a 46 long.
Order filled.
I'm going to try 46 on the ES. I'm long one contract. If it pulls back a nickel, I'll add a second. First target is 48. I'm going to add one. All right, I have two ES on target. Target one at 48. And then 54. Whoop. Guess I don't need to do that, do I?
Order canceled.
Ah, they're both there. Damn it.
Order canceled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Morning, Hubba. $43 is my kill. Got to push through 47.50.
Order submitted.
That's my kill. Morning, Albert. Got an unfinished auction up here at 51 and a quarter. Got a 50 contract block buy at 46. We do have an unfinished auction at 43 quarter. Let me go to 41. They bought them again here at 46. They're buying 46. They bought them again at 46. Looks like it wants this unfinished auction first. Okay, auction's gone. It's got to hold here. It's got to bounce now. You dog. Come on. Come on, give me that target. Come on.
Order filled.
Target 1 filled. Target 1 filled.
Order canceled.
Now let's go get that unfinished auction. Order flow, fellas. Order flow. Some resistance here. High of the day. Gonna have to break the high of the day if you guys want to take your. I mean, I think we could trend higher at least until Powell speaks. And I told you, NASDAQ can go one. I think NASDAQ can get 150. There we go. Go get that auction, baby. Another block buy. We had a block buy here, 50. Another 71 contracts here. 54 is my target. That's right. Order flow, baby. Learn order flow.
Lastly, commenting that they'll raise prices selectively in chocolate and coffee, face higher prices for sugar, cocoa, and Robusta coffee.
NASDAQ's next zone up is here, 117. If you're long NASDAQ, you can add on the ES right here. Got some sellers. 77 contracts came out here at 49.5. They're going to get this auction. We got to get 51 quarter. I don't think we're getting that close and leaving 51 quarter. If we get above 56, we're going 65. Now, I'm not going to have a stop big enough for that.
Order canceled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Anybody long ES? ES pissed me off yesterday. I took that long and it failed. Mixed here. Sellers here, seller here, and a buyer here. So we're mixed here at the high of the day. We really need to get through this. For me, I've got to hold 49 quarter. Okay, Peter. You have a pullback entry right now on NASDAQ as well. Setting up. NASDAQ is long as well at the close of this 1 minute bar. You could take NASDAQ long right here, 82, 80, maybe 83, 83. NASDAQ's pushing pivots. Going to have to get through 95. But through 95, it's going to blow. Don't be a dink. Go get me that 54. There. Sellers, I'm flat.
Order filled.
I'm flat. It's going up. I'm flat. I'm flat. I don't want to go through the pullback for a couple more handles. NASDAQ's going to pull back. 66 should bounce it right into this zone here. Didn't even get there. This is the kill zone for NASDAQ. I'm going to try the long here.
Order filled.
Could come 66, I guess. Yeah, 66. Two at 66.
Order submitted.
Gotta get above 78. Come on, get above 78 and she rips. Come on, rat bag. Push above 75 and then 78. We're getting 275. That's our 1 minute resistance. This goes back to 81. Come on, seriously? It's this seller imbalance right here at 76.25 that stopped us. Right here. Gotta come through here. 77.25. We're getting stuffed at 76.25. If you guys want to take your risk off, take it off. Get you another $100, $165. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Come on. 3 more. No, you can't. Weak ass. All right.
Order filled.
I'm flat. I'm flat. If this candle, no, it's not done. I think we go up on the next candle. Buyers. There's target coming. Should go to 79. It's holding that buy zone, but now it's tested. Fed speaker in 15. So we can just chop around. And still, not even a trade would have fired on the bot today, on the Nasdaq bot. Oh yeah, would have had a trade at 8:30 at the news. That's why we don't trade news, fellas. It's one more time off 66.
Treasury yields do remain lower here in the wake of the U.S. economic data. That Philly Fed reading coming in at -9.
We could come back to 72. All kinds of buyers. Come on. Got to 78. Should have come down. We're just going to dink around, I think, ahead of Fed speaker. Final target 67.25. Call it 69. Come on, 2 more
Target
ticks.
filled.
All right, there's target 1. 67, 68. That's where this should come. $67.50. Below that, we could come 47. I don't think so, but maybe. Small sellers here, guys, like 100. We've got to break 71 to get target. We could come back to 52. $79. 30 range. Sitting on some support here. We could bounce right here. Got to break below 71. Come on, break down. Break 71, not 271. Come on, baby. Come on.
Order filled.
I'm flat. I'll take the $1,000 in pre-market. Anybody take that short? First target is 80, maybe 81. Okay, Jacques, call it 81, down to 1,200 on the net buyers. I'd like to see a pop at the open and then a rollover again. Final target 66, 67. So if we get 81 and 67, yeah, I missed a nice short on ES. Damn it. I don't think Powell says anything this afternoon that's going to help the market. 3 minutes. There's target 1. Target 1 hit and filled. Free trade now. Go to break even, fellas, ahead of the open. But I think we push back down to 65. Below that would be 49.50. Next level down is 71. We're off.
Order canceled.
We're going to sell. I've got the 30 range on.
Order filled.
Push back up. 30 range took a long. Just like yesterday.
Order filled.
Chopped yesterday as well, right at the open.
Target filled.
Target 1 filled. Let me get that out of here. Oh. I don't know why that didn't go to break even.
Order filled.
We're chopping here at the open. Now it went long.
Target filled.
Target 1 filled.
Target filled.
Target 2 filled. Buyers on the open. Back up to 1,500. We're going to push up. 108's going to slow us down. We fall below 99, we'll probably get a pullback. We could come to 83. I don't know what that's doing there, but below 99. There it is. Should come to 83. Come on, down to 83. Come on, down to 83. Here it comes.
Order filled.
There's 83. We got 83, 99 to 83, 16 handles. We're just wedged in a really small area. Pretty good resistance here, 02, 03. We just went through and failed again. And then we've got support at 83. Nice job, Jeff. I'm not chasing this up here, so 08, 09 is a problem.
Order submitted.
This is all on the ES. I mean, this is all in the NASDAQ. ES isn't doing squat.
Order canceled. Order filled. Target filled. Target filled. Order filled.
This is just a pullback in here.
Order filled.
30 range short again.
Target filled.
Target filled. Come on. Give me that target. Seriously? One tick? It's holding that 83 again. Needs to break below 83. We're in a real trappy little range.
Stop filled.
30 range up 340. ES doing absolutely nothing. NASDAQ's coming down now. We should come down. 2 minutes telling me I'm short. Down to 57, 60, 57 to 64. I'm late on this short, but I'm going to short this.
Order filled.
I'm late on the short. I'm watching so many charts here at the open. Should get 71.
Order canceled.
Here we go. Hit 71. It's got to break below 71. It gets hit.
Order submitted.
Next 2 minute bar coming in 8 seconds. Should come down to 65 anyways before a bounce.
Order submit. Order filled. Order canceled.
Target 1 is filled. 65 is next for me. Forgot I got an ATM on. Just got to break. Came 66 even. Come on, break it down. 52 is going to be next. Come on, break this pivot. Small sellers.
Order
Oh,
filled.
there you go.
Order canceled.
Next is 52, 53. We're into some support here. Next target down 45. We just hit 52, 53. Now 45. If you're running any. Selling them all back. They got longs foobarred now. Yesterday's close is 025. So next target is 43 if you're running. Come on. Give me 43. Got 43. Next 2-minute bar in 10 seconds. And we're going to close below the 2-minute cloud. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. There's a little bounce maybe at 35. And then 33 next. You guys are listening. You're just absolutely annihilating it. This is a pullback here. There'll be another short on the 1 minute. Need the candle to close, 26 seconds. It's got to fail here or it could push back up to 65.
Israel firing
Thank you,
into
Jacques.
Lebanon again today, shelling some border villages.
Israel firing into Lebanon. You guys probably heard that on my Trade the News. That's good. Let's drag Iran into this. All right, new 1 minute bar. Come on.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Need this to fail below 42 and we get 35 again. Back below 42, we get 35 again.
Order filled.
Come on, below 42. Don't hold that. Got to come below 42. Come on. Break 42. It broke.
Order filled.
Come on, push. Push. Come on, rat bag.
Order filled.
Nice job. Here it comes. It's holding this small zone. If we pop back above 44.50, we could pop back up. We're sitting on VWAP. That's what's holding us. And I think we get a pop here. We still have, we're negative delta, but we're going to pop VWAP. Come on. We got to break down below 36 for the next short. We're holding basically VWAP. We're still in shorts. Negative delta is 150 contracts, so they sold back 1,700. I'm still in shorts, guys. Watch this. Watch this. There's your next short, 37. Maybe now. Let's call it here, 36. Full candle below that.
Order submitted.
As soon as that candle closes, I'm going to short it again.
Order filled.
Come on. Break down below 32 and we come. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Target order filled.
What the fuck was that? That's the trend bot hitting targets. All right, guys. Everybody good? Did you hear that? Or it sounded like a seal. I'm like, what is going on? I'm looking at all my bots. It was a trend bot up 770. Yeah. Kirk. All right, we're just hanging out around VWAP, but watch this now for the next breakdown. Watch this. If we break below 17, it's going to get dusted. We're still in shorts. Just getting pullbacks in the shorts. This could push back to 45 from here. So sit tight. It's still just a pullback in shorts. Now we fell again. Watch that trend. Full candle close below that trend line. There's your short. Right there, 28. There she goes. Bye. Next. If we break 17, it's over but the crying. She's going to zip to 02. Net negative is increasing marginally. Back up into this resistance. ES, believe it or not, is telling me we may get a long here on the 3,000 tick. Long above 43.50 on the ES. Long above 43.50. There it is, 43.50.
Order filled.
43.50 triggered. Target 1 is 46 on ES. Target 1 is 46 on ES. Got a bot trade here. We got 44 quarter. 46 is target 1. Maybe 45.50. 45.50. I'm watching ES here. 40. Come on, push. 45.50. Support is 42 quarter. Stop needs to be 40 half. We're just chunking. You can see it here on a 30 range. We're going nowhere. NASDAQ has to get above that 45 half, and she's going to pop to 64.50 if she can do it. She'll go 64.50 above 45 half. ES just doing nothing. Holding VWAP though on ES. NASDAQ has to get above 45.50. ES stop.
Filled.
ES stop is 40 half, 40 quarter out on the NASDAQ.
Coming up at the top of the hour, we'll get some more U.S. data. Existing home sales for September expected 3.89 million. That'll be down 3.7% from the 4.04 million in the prior month.
ES back to entry at 44. Here goes NASDAQ. NASDAQ's going to pop to 64, 65. Anybody long ES, target one is 45.50. We just got 44.75. You dog. Give me the 3 ticks. NASDAQ just chopping around, guys. This is just fairly ugly.
Bank of England, APF Gilt operation, cover ratio 2.15.
We're below VWAP, but not,
Order filled.
we're not breaking.
Target filled.
There's target one on 30 range. Nothing.
Stop filled.
Out, down 45 bucks. We're just chopping around. I don't like shorts down here. I don't like that we've broken below VWAP. Qs are holding up though. Let me look at SPX. SPX is holding some support here though. This is a 30-minute now. We're holding that 43.15. We could come down 43.01. On a 30-minute, you could short SPX with a stop above 27.5. Let me go to a smaller time frame. I like that 30-minute though for a big look. Here it is on a 5-minute. Come here, you. There's the 5-minute. We're holding that 43.14. I mean, we're really not breaking down. We're not breaking up or down. We're just holding around VWAP, which is nothing. We're trying to go up. The momentum to the downside is gone.
Order filled.
All right, bots long. Come on.
Target filled.
Target filled. We're going to work up now to 65. That stop's too tight for a 65. But I'll put it here. I'll take the risk. We're going to go to 65. This is going to work to 65. I'm looking for pullbacks now on the long side. So if you guys are trading with the ATM I taught you, you've already got both targets. But I think we're going 65. So we're trying to get a pullback entry here. Small pullback on a 1 minute with a positive delta. Holding this support at 46. I don't really want to break below 46. And if we come up through 52.50, we go. ES also, there it goes. We should go to 64, 65. Just pushing some daily resistance. Back to a flat delta. It's giving us nothing. Delta's giving me absolutely nothing. Not a day to, actively trade, if you will. Back to a small positive delta. We should get 58 to 64. 58 to 64. I think I get that 63 target. Come on, push, big fella. Let's go. Give me some buyers. 175 contract positive delta. I mean, that's just pathetic. All right, 200. No, sellers came in again. Here we go. 65. Come on. Let's go, dog. We're pushing a pivot. Bottom of the 2-minute cloud.
Target filled.
Target hit. Told you. I told you. Now buyers, big buyers. Now they got shorts wrecked. See what I was saying about VWAP, order flow, guys? We broke below VWAP, but they didn't crash it. They just drew sellers in. That's it. Okay, so now I'm looking for a pullback long. 81 would be next target if I get a pullback entry. 81. And then above that, 101. I don't have the entry yet, though. Excuse me. Naturally, ES went up and got targets. Hang on, fellas. Got the pullback. Let's see if we pull back into this support area in here.
Just note in political news, you can report that former President Trump's ex-lawyer Sidney Powell to plead guilty in the Georgia election subversion case.
Sidney Powell to plead guilty in the Georgia election case. I guess she didn't have the Kraken. Come on. 4 seconds to the next candle. Come on. I want this long, guys, but I don't have it yet. Got sellers at the top of the candle. I'm watching order flow. If we come back up through 65, there's your long. Through 66, maybe. Watch this, though. Watch this. Making it tough today. We could pull back to 46. I think we will. We're still pulling. We're still selling in here on this 5-minute bar. Watch for now a break below VWAP, but we've really got to get below VWAP and hit them with sellers. Otherwise, it's just nothing. I mean, Above VWAP, generally bulls are in control. Below VWAP, generally bears are in control. They broke down below VWAP several times, but
Order filled.
they couldn't
Target filled.
dump it. There's another target on 30 range bot. Why is my break even not working? Can't be changed below the market. What do you mean below? Oh, I'm lagging. That's why.
Order filled.
46. Yeah, we're at 56. I got to turn that off. I'm lagging by 10 handles. We're at 49.50, guys. Nothing wrong with that. All right. Now we're going to get another sell. We're failing 46 and probably drop back to 37. Now we're in a 10 handle range. 10 handle range. This is just sit tight. We're not forced to trade, guys. Maybe a bounce back up to 65. We cannot get out of this range. Credit spreads, Deepak. Credit spreads. Short. 35, 37. That's all I see. Guys, there's no volume here. Deepak is selling a call credit spread 43.65 on the short strike. And what? Powell's not going to help. So you got a 43.65 and what, Deepak? And how much credit? It's got to be at least $1 or he's not doing it.
Seeing press reports circulating in the last hour regarding China and their nuclear weapons ambitions. Seeing a new Pentagon report today says China is building up its nuclear weapons arsenal faster than previous projections.
You've got a long 265. Did you guys hear that? China's building up their nuclear weapons faster than previously expected. If anybody is interested, there's 65 coming. If anybody is interested, Deepak's doing a call credit spread, 43.65, 4,400 for $1.20, 0 DTEs. Still looking for longs. I'd like to see a little deeper pullback to 45. If the 10-minute breaks, listen, here's your 10-minute entry, 10-minute above 78 or so, and we can go. But short of that, we've got support coming in at 43 and resistance at 64. 2 minutes giving me absolutely nada. ES, essentially the same thing. You know you're going to 102. It's going to 103 anyways. Give me those ticks. Are you kidding me? Come on, push.
Target filled.
Got it. There it is. There she is. Got target. Here's the opening range high. We could pull back a shard here.
Earnings call saying China's copper demand continues to grow, with wind and solar projects offsetting weak property sector.
Support 83.
Pockets of weakness in U.S. residential housing are being offset by other sectors.
Yeah. I've heard that before.
Seeing rising copper consumption.
Everybody wants to come see me. Nobody shows up.
Right.
Doop-de-doo. We're just doop-de-dooing around. Nice job, Jeff. Got almost 1,000 sellers right back in, and this could be the breakdown for the rest of the day. I have no way of knowing, but they just trapped longs again. They just sucked longs in. We didn't break the opening range high. So now I'm really looking for pullback shorts, right? And it started not here. It started here with that 166 seller. I think you can buy SPX puts, straight puts, 4,300 SPX puts, 4,300 SPX puts. God dang it. Logging into my account here. Come on, don't break down. All right, SPX. Let me see what 4,300s.
About 10 minutes of the weekly EIA natural gas inventory data expected between plus 80 and 82 billion.
Today's the 19th.
Below the 5-year average.
4,300s are $9. $9.10. All right, I bought SPX puts. I bought 4,300 SPX puts. I paid $9, $9.10. I'm expecting chop until he speaks, though. I paid $9.20. You're holding 43.20s, paid 15.40s. Okay. My kill on SPX is going to be above the high of the day. So if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. This is just a pullback here. I will sell 62 on a move lower. I'll sell 62 on the NASDAQ. Or a move up to 80 and a failure at 80. Let me look at Here's what I'm looking at, guys, on SPX. I'm looking for a move down to 43.01 on SPX. Okay. I do not think Herr Powell is going to help anybody. Oh, I just missed my 62. God dang it. I'll still sell 62.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Short target is 45. And below that, 30. Get that out of the way. Let me get this to 45. Let's go 48.
Target filled.
Damn it. Target was filled before I could move it. Son of a bitch. Got one left. Looking for 45. Looking for 45. I know every room on the planet does this, especially them buy-side global guys.
Target filled.
45. Bazinga. I should have had 3 off at 45. I couldn't move it fast enough. Ooh, them SPX puts looking nice, baby. Anybody buy SPX puts other than DPAC? Anybody? I'm up 13%. I'm holding, guys. I'm not trading this chop. I'm half that DPAC. This is just a pullback. Your short again is 43 with a target again at 37.
Order submitted.
43 with a 37
Order filled.
target 1, and that's good. And then below that, I'd like to get 34. No, wait a minute. 37 target 1. That's good. That's good. Let me get this out of here.
Order canceled.
We could pop back to 60.
Order submitted.
63. And we just put in some support here at 46. I'll sell it below 46 as well. I'll add into it. Come on down. Let's go, Rockhead. I'll add into this at 43 again, which is where I may be short.
Order filled.
Come on down. Come on. I'm going to have to kill this in a second. I'm glad I only have 2 on. Here we come. Come on, close. Give me the 1 minute close. Give me the 1 minute close so I can add. Sellers again. Got to get below 50. They bottom again just above point of control. Got to break below 47, call it 47. Then 42 and 35. And there we go. Zippity doo da day. Come on, let's go. Come on, sellers. You got them on the run now. Let's go. 33. Come on, break this down. Next level of support is 35. I'll take them off at 37.
Order submitted.
Come on, you dog. Fail here. I'm going to add into this at 40. It's 43. I can't add into this. We're just stuck VWAP, which is annoying. Look at this. Holding this chart of support at 40. Breaks 40 and that target's quick. Come on, push them. Set there. Oh,
Order filled.
got it.
Order canceled.
That was a pain in the ass trade, huh, fellas? Uh-oh, up 23%, 23.7 on SPX puts, guys. We're banging them. Hold the line. Man, I'm not selling nothing. I am not selling squat till I hit 43.01. There's value area low. If we break down here, up 28%. Uh-oh. SPY skidding. SPX coming, Deepak.
Now to the weekly EI natural gas inventory data expected between plus 80 and 82 billion cubic feet.
We've breached the opening range low. Come on, baby. 4301. Call it 4302. We hit 4305.93. Come on. New low. Come on. There we go. Breaking down, fellas. I need $300 to clear an evaluation in one day.
Just a few seconds.
I'm going to get it too.
Plus 97 billion cubic feet, well above the 80 to 82 expected.
Target hit. Target hit.
For the week at plus 85. No regional adjustments in the data.
We hit 4302. Close enough for me. Close enough for hand grenades. I'm flat. Look. Gonna get that 01. I'll take 45%. Bam, chakalaka. That's what I'm talking right there. Nice job. Still coming down, fellas. So now we just broke all this support, just traded back up into now resistance at 14. And the market is now in foo bar mode. Nice job, Ray. All right, so now we're getting a retracement, which is only going to be a short.
Taking a look at market internals, NYSE volume 9.7% above its 1-month average. Decliners lead advancers by 1.9 to 1. NASDAQ volume 4.1% above its 1-month average.
Nice job,
Decliners
Peter.
lead advancers by 1.7 to 1. VIX index trading higher by 2.5% at 1968.
Nice job, Deepak.
Update from the Israeli military saying that there were 20 launches from Lebanon toward Israeli territory and they returned artillery fire.
Guys, we got a war going on in 2 places. 10-year at almost 5%. Anybody, and Powell speaks at noon. Anybody really think you want longs? I don't think so. I think we're going to come down into yesterday's low, if you want to know the truth.
Order filled. Order filled.
And I hit target so fast on that on my PA account, it wasn't even funny. Order filled, target filled. My kind of trade. I mean, listen, guys, this is cooked central. We're not even at the low of the day yet. Look at these sellers. We can't get back up through this. This is your sell zone right here, right now. All the way up through here. This can't go anywhere. Technically, no, Judd. Technically, you cannot. But as I've asked the question before, guys, I haven't had a trade on the 30 range in forever because we've been shorts. So we've got 870 and 765 today. It's not much. 1600. Wait for a retracement.
The VIX is up 3.5%, just below 20 once again at 1988.
ES next target, guys, is going to be 22 from here. And if we catch the low of the day, we're going 14 and probably 4,300. If 4,300 doesn't hold, it's over. Dollar index is actually pulled back today. I haven't paid any attention to gold. It hasn't done much. Let me look at the 10-year. That's not what I want. Where's my damn scanner? Market scanner.
Order filled.
Got a bot trade to the long side.
Target filled.
Ooh, another winner. I don't know. Oh, break even's off.
Target filled.
Another winner. Bot's up $1,000. Who likes bots? Bot. Guys, we don't have We've got buyers again. Let them buy it. Pushed back up to the point of control. Look at this. Right back to the point of control. Let's see if we breach 47 and then fail. If we breach 40, what I want to see is a push through 47. Maybe get up to 55 and then drop right back below 47, and I'll short it. They bought 1,300 contracts in the last 3-minute bar. Okay. We've gone back positive delta 800 plus. Look at that. Target was hit. We got 99.61. 43.01 was my target. We're going to trade back to 14, I would guess, before a failure again. And then we'll look for puts again. Well, we hit 47. I wanted to see the breach of 47 and then the failure. Let's see. Deepak, what did you get out of SPX at? I got 14.25. Where'd you get out of SPX? 13.80. I got 14.25. Looks like we could pull back to 16. Looks like we want to go to 50, but chopping. Need to break down 28.75. Come on, get down through that buyer. They didn't buy him again. $16 is target one. So let's call it 18 target
Order
one.
submitted.
18 target one. Need to break. Come on, 20 right here. Final target, guys, for me is going to be 03. Always trade them as you see fit. You guys know I don't give a rat's ass about evaluation
Order
accounts.
submitted.
They bought a few more here at 33.50. We just came down to 22. Take profits, wherever you see. I mean, we got the volatility. We're just stuck here now. Come on. I'll add into this on pullbacks. They bought them again here. They bought them again. Did not buy them the last two presses. Nothing. Nothing. Got a big seller here, 31. Seriously, we're just going to chop here? Small selling pressure. Ah, you dog. Held some daily support, former daily support. Down through 23, it's over, but the crying for the NASDAQ. It'll come to 02. Down through 23. Buyers.
Order filled.
30 range is long on the bot. Bot wants to short, which is what I prefer is the shorts. Didn't short. It's right back to the long entry.
Order filled.
All right. This could go back to 51.
Order canceled.
Okay, here's resistance at 51. I'm going to add 2. No. Come on, fail. Right here. I'll add 2 on a move below 43 now. There's 44, 44, 44.
Order filled.
Added 2 at 43. Average is now 36.50, and I'm in the dough. I'm in the dough. Come on, break down. Break down. Break down. Break down below this 1 minute pivot at 37.5. Come on, dog. Come on, sellers. Come on. Must be liberals. Not even a cackle out of that one. Come on, that's my best stuff. I know. Every trade room's doing this. I know. They're all doing this. Now we need another 1 minute swing at 25. There's a $1,300 trade. Come on. I want 0 freaking 3. I want 03. That's right, Paul. Go to your safe space, man. Opening range low, 1,300. Anybody following along with the add-in? Got a break here. Value area low. If this breaks, they're going to blow this out. We'll get 02. We'll get 02. You can take some off here at 16 if you'd like, or not. 1,800. 1900. Bet buy side global's in this trade. Come on, give me 04 for 2.
Order submitted.
Give me 04. Got to break down here and then catch this swing at 11. Anybody in this trade with me? Anybody? Okay, Marcia. Yeah, I said that earlier about Sidney Powell. Guess you didn't have the Kraken. Okay, Greg, nice trade. Come on, break down. Catch this swing here at 14 and just kill yourself. This is just a pullback. Come on, 02 is foregone conclusion. All right. Well, I've given back 900 in trailing draw. I'm going to have to close this thing.
Order filled.
Not because I want to, but I don't, it's not, I'll add it in again or take it again. It's coming to 02. Nice job, Arjun. We held value area low again. We're trading back up to 46. We could go back to 51, which is a ceiling. Oh my God, it's almost 11. Damn you. That's too deep a pullback, though, for me to hold 4 contracts, guys. It's coming down. I'm going to short this again below 11. Now you can short it below 11, and it should be a free fall.
Order submitted.
Pending 4 short at 11. With a target 1 at 0. That moved up maybe 04. It's not much, 7 handles. Or if I can get a pullback.
Price increases for hot rolled, cold rolled.
Got Powell in just over an hour, fellas.
Minimum base price.
I'd like to get 02 and then ideally yesterday's low at 979. We're holding the 21-day or the 20-day moving average. That's why we're jumping around down in here. It's the 20-day.
Order filled.
Okay.
Order submitted.
2 off at 5 is what I'm looking for. Come on. It's still flirting with that 20-day. We've got sellers, though. Don't you do it. Just break down. Come on. Come on. Minute to the next 5-minute bar. Push here. We should get 05.
Energy markets seem to report that OPEC Plus sees no major impact from the easing of sanctions on Venezuela.
This is the pullback. This could come back to 19 or drop down to 05 where it will probably die. Come on. Get away from this damn 20-day moving average. It's all it's holding.
U.S. Treasury to sell $75 billion in 40-day new cash, man. $52 billion in 5-year notes, $26 billion in 2-year floating rate notes, $38 billion in 7-year notes, and $51 billion in 2-year notes. As expected, there are boosts there for the U.S. Treasury's bill announcement, coupon announcement.
Need this back below
for
14.
next week.
I'm going to add into this trade, guys. I mean, it's only not until the close of the 1-minute bar, though. My other ad would be 12, right where I'm in, basically. Damn it. Bounced off the 20-day again. This could go back to 40. This is where I'm going to add again.
Order filled.
No, guess I hit my stop. That's the ad here. $11:01, fellas. I'm done for the day, guys. Powell in an hour. Watch the chop. Is everybody good today? Is there anybody that did not make money? We hit them pretty good, guys. All right. Yeah, that's because he's not here. All right, guys. So here's our bot total. 870 plus 435. 1305 on the day. Another nice day. 1350 yesterday. And for the sake of conversation, here's my trend bot. Down 60 bucks. Down 60 bucks. Okay, bots are up 1305. Anybody have any questions, guys, before we head out for the day? There, I stopped trading them at 920. And then I go to this 30 range. It's me. You guys with a robot or manual trading. Nothing works 100% of the time. Yeah, I'm just saying, they're not ATMs, okay? You don't just turn them on and print money.
News, Jim Jordan reportedly to announce that he will not hold the third round of voting in his effort to get the speakership.
Here comes the fail. It's going to fail now. In any event, the goal is to make money every day, right? Send that to me, Arjan. Send that to me.
In copper prices.
The goal is to make money.
New investments right now.
Inevitably, I get asked, how much? Well, what will the market give on any given day? Some days it'll give us, like today, 3,000, 4,000. Some days you got to work to make 300. Here's my breakdown to 05. You dog, coming to 99. Just hit 05. There's my target. To the tick. Guys, if I get